Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am continuing on with the book of $5 safe cracker tickets. We have ticket numbers 85 through 89. We're gonna start with 85 first. We have $25 worth of tickets. So each video, I would like to see us win at least $25. That would be beautiful. Here are our winning letters. Now let's see if we can make any words. Okay, we did not get an M, so no M. C-O-S, no S, no S. No N, B-L-U, no R, no R, no R, no S. Do we have a G and an M? No M. Okay, moving on. Oh, hold on, right here. No S. Moving on down, no R, no R, no S, no S, no S. No S. V-I-N. Wait, hold on. We do have an N. So N-Y. And an L. We have one word. I wonder if I missed any. We do scan them, so if we do miss any, or if I do miss any, I will find out at the end. No S. Moving on across. A-T-O. No M. Y-O-G-A, J, no R, no R, moving on down, no R, N-A-P, K-I-N, 2 words, no R, no R, no R. Let's scan it and see, you guys. Let's scan and see. Not a winner. Not a winner. Moving on to ticket number 86. We're getting close to the end here, you guys, with all of the tickets from this book. And this was a long, or not long, but long. It takes forever to scratch off crosswords. So to get a whole book of them, it was a lot. Okay, moving on across. We are looking for a P-E-R, no R, I, no I, O-N, no O, no O, T-E-E, H-Y-P-N, no O. No O, no O, no O, no O. Okay, moving on down. Q, U. We didn't even get a Q. What am I talking about? Okay, no R, B, O, no O. I, no I, no I. L, E, V, Y. We got another word. No R, no R, H-A-S, no S, no R. So nothing on top. Didn't get the bonus word. Moving on down, A-L, L. We got another word. 2 more, we get our money back. C, no O, E, no R, K-I-D, no I, no S, no I, moving on across, no O, L-A-W-Y-E, no R, L-E-G-G-N-D, oh, we got another word. Looks like we lost, but we will scan, and we will make sure. With these crosswords, you guys, you really need to scan all of them. Really need to scan. Not a winner. Not a winner. We got 3 tickets left, you guys. 3 tickets left. Let's go and see. It is a beautiful day out today, you guys. It's not too hot. It's not too cold. It's just beautiful. Just beautiful. Okay, here is our winning letters. Now let's see if we can match any of them. M, no M. K-A, we did not get an A. We did not get an A. K-I-T-T-E, no N. No A. No R. Nope, we did get an R. M. No M. No. Oh, we got a word. No, wait, we did get an R. No N. We did not get an N. No M. No N. Moving on across. S or A. No A. No A. No A. No A. No A. No V. No A. O and no N. No A. S-I. Yep. We got a word. No A. No A. No R. No, we got an R. No M. We didn't get the M. A. No A. Moving on down. No N. H. No A. No A. No M. And we got 2. Let's scan it and see. A $5 winner, you guys, and I didn't even see where we won it. So if you see it, please point it out. At least we won $5. Okay, moving on to ticket number 88. Ticket number 88. Let's see if we can win. Okay, moving on to the top here. B-U-S, no U. No, wait, no R. I-D-L, no L. No L. We got a word. No L. No T. No R. Moving on down, no R. No Y. No R. 2 words. No R. No R. S. No T. No T. No T. No T for the bonus. H-E-R. No R. G. L. No L. O-F-F. Did we get an F? Yes, we did. T. E. No T. F-A-M-B. No L. No Z. Looks like we lost, but we're gonna scan it and see. Scan to see. Not a winner. We have 1 ticket left, you guys. Can we win on this ticket? Let's see. My battery's about to die, so I'm kind of rushing it. Hopefully I can get this done before my battery dies. C-A-R, no R, U-N-K, no K, no Y, no S, no R. Got a word. No R. No, oh wait, we got it. Moving on down. No R. No S. No R, no R, no R. No R, no R. No R. H L, no, no Z, no R, no S, I N K, no K, A L L U, no D, E X I T, we got a word. Moving on down, no R, E G O, 2 words, one more, you guys. We just need one more. No R, no S. It looks like we lost. Let's scan it before my phone dies on me. And we got not a winner. We scratched off $25 in tickets, you guys, and we only won $5 back. So again, we did not do that good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you are subscribed because we will be finishing out this book of tickets, and you want to stay tuned to see if we made a profit or not. We will see you in our next video. Bye.